English Club. Welcome back to Online English Club. English Grammar. Future Simple Tense. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our English grammar lesson. Today we'll speak about the future simple tense. The future simple tense is used to talk about an action or condition that will begin and end in the future. For example, he will go to the cinema tomorrow. She will visit her grandparents next week. To form a positive sentence, in the future simple tense, we use will followed by the base form of the verb. For example, I will travel to Paris next week. I call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. They travel to Europe next month. They will travel to Europe next month. He finished his homework soon. He will finish his homework soon. Markers for the future simple. Tomorrow, next month, yeah, the day after tomorrow, in a week, in a month, in 2 days, soon. To create a negative sentence, we use the auxiliary verb will, not, or won't, plus the base form of the verb. For example, he will buy a ticket to New York next week. He won't buy a ticket to New York next week. She will do her homework tomorrow. She won't do her homework tomorrow. She will call you later. She won't call you later. To form a question, we use the auxiliary verb will at the beginning of the question. We follow it with the base form of the verb. They will go to the shop tomorrow. Will they go to the shop tomorrow? He will play football tomorrow. Will he play football tomorrow? She will go to the zoo tomorrow. Will she go to the zoo tomorrow? Let's do the test. We play tennis next week. A. Play. B. Plays. C. Will play. C. Will play. He watch TV tomorrow. A. Watch. B. Will watch. C. Will watches. B. Will watch. We buy a ticket next month. A. Will buy. B. Buy. C. Will bought. A. Will buy. He not visit his uncle tomorrow. A. Won't visit. B. Will visited. C. Visit. A. Won't visit. He visit a museum next year. A. Do. B. Does. C. Will. C. Will. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.